Alright, so we're back on the vacuum. Trying to see if a little bit of JB Weld will put this housing back together. I think it's going to work. Got a, well, maybe. Factory original fuel filter. Fuel filter. Looks like it'll work. So that's going to take probably till tomorrow to really set, but we're going to let that sit. And now I've got some shock absorbers. So we're going to go get set up and see if we can get the shocks on the back of that thing. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is try to get this broken one off. Maybe. Since it's not doing anything. I like these because it actually has a step that goes into the frame rather than just the threads. So it's pretty nice if that'll come out. Deal with that in a minute. Clunk. Let's see if we can get this one off. There she goes. There. Perfect. Alright. Now we just got to try to get these bolts out and then go see how we're going to make them fit into the new shocks, which actually have some inserts. I think I'm going to have to push the inserts out of the new ones, and then we'll go from there. Well, that was uneventful. Let's see, what are the odds? Slim to none. Okay, we have to break that one loose. So here's the new ones, and you can see they've got an insert in them. But conveniently, the insert is exactly the same size as that stud, so that's perfect. I'm going to go get a hammer, see if we can knock these inserts out without damaging too much. And we'll go from there. Alright, so I was able to press the bushing out with my little arbor press. And now the bolt's stuck in it. So we're going to have to get the bolt back out, and then we're going to push the other bolt out and see what we can do. Alright, since that bushing didn't like coming back out, and that bolt didn't like coming back out, I think I'm going to try to do this in one step. Get the bolt out at the same time. Perfect. It's not quite there in, but it'll pull up once we crank her down. Now we're gonna see if we can get that other bolt back in there, but that could be a little interesting because the hole is, she's kind of snug now. So, might need some of my super secret military spec rubber lube for this one. Nothing. Shoot, man. I wanted to put the washer on that silly thing, and I didn't. Let's not booger the threads up too bad. Get that out of there again. Okay, let's try this way. There she goes. That's the way to do it. A little of the super secret lube. She's much happier. Alright. So now, got our shock ready to mount, I hope. Let's go back out there and see what we can do. She's close. Looks like I may need a pry bar. She's not quite in there. I don't think. It might go down a little bit. Let's get a pry bar. Nope. Well, let's try the bottom first then. Put that little nut on that one. See if we can squish it from the top and get her in. Perfect. Let's put the nut on it. There we go. All right. Let's snug them up. There it is. All right. That's one. Actually, looks fairly comparable to the other one, so I think I got the right parts. Off a front end of a who knows what Chevy helper spring. So now, I'm going to repeat the process with the second one, get her in, and see how she drives. All right, let's get her down. Oh, that's much further away from the exhaust. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, she squats a little bit. We don't need no Carolina squat truck on my diesel-powered ride-on vacuum cleaner. So, I think I'm going to put some more air in the front tires because they look a little low. And then we might take her for a rip. All right. So after last night when I scraped out underneath the mower, because it was kind of wet yesterday when I was mowing, and since that thing isn't rusty, let's keep it not rusty. I just made a mess in the driveway, so I'm going to use my diesel-powered ride-on vacuum cleaner to see if we can clean it up. Let's see if she'll start. Get that down in there somewhere. Come on. All right. Now it's still pulling through the fuel pump, that electric fuel pump. We'll give that a few seconds just for grins. Can't beat that with 2 sticks. All right. Not sketchy at all. This knob on this thing is important. job picking that stuff up. This stuff's pretty stuck. It was rubbed into the tractor tire, but I think that did a great little job. I got to do something to clean up the dust, seal the top a little bit better. But yeah, I rode along the edge here and tried to pick up all these pine things that were going to clog up my little rain gutter. It did a bang-up job picking those up. Hardly any left. A few over here. Didn't get all the way down, but still not too bad. Yeah, I did pretty good in that little section. It's just further away from it. Oh yeah, that picked up nice. Did real good. A few little rocks and things here and there it didn't quite get, but again, I haven't even done the front end yet with the sweeper head. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, there we go. So, the MadVac 101 is coming along. We will catch you in the next one. Talk to y'all later. Take care.